for me is you, and you for me. So happy together. We're happy together. So happy together. Happy together. So happy together.
Hi everyone and welcome. We're all chasing access to countries, access to new markets, access to experiences, access to wealth. But so many times it's about having the right friends, the right passport, the right parents. If you live in Jakarta and you want to buy stocks on Wall Street, you need access to a broker. If you want a bank loan in Singapore, you'd better be Singaporean. In Thailand, a US dollar saving account will earn you 0.05% on the dollar. We wanted to change all of that, which is why we founded the company 3 years ago. My name is Marcus Lim. Born in Singapore, I launched my first startup in Australia in 2013. I founded Zipmex in 2018 with Dr. Akalap Yimwalai and launched in Indonesia, Singapore, and Australia in September of 2019 and in Thailand in July of 2020. And we've been adding new products at a blistering pace from interest-bearing accounts to an NFT marketplace and now the first crypto-based credit card in Asia. The first time I heard about Bitcoin was back in 2013 when one of my engineers used his machine as a Bitcoin mining rig. I asked him, "What's Bitcoin?" And that's when I first heard about the word cryptocurrency. It was such a brand new concept with limitless possibilities. I was imagining a whole new world where we can use and store money online. And today, I'm as excited as ever. Every day, I see the potential we have to put people in charge of their wealth and their lives. Today, the crypto market is valued at $2 trillion US dollars. In 5 years from now, it's expected to be $5 trillion US dollars. Crypto is going mainstream. Yes, people discuss volatility, but if you really look at Bitcoin's performance since 2010, the curve is clear, onwards and upwards. Every day in the world of digital assets and what you can do with them is growing. Increasingly, institutional investors are including digital assets into their portfolios. Elon Musk took Dogecoin to the moon, and brands are jumping on the NFT bandwagon. It's becoming ever-present as Coca-Cola. Speaking of Coca-Cola, just launched a range of NFTs. Cryptocurrency was born during the financial crisis of 2008. And over the past year, we have seen how COVID-19 has ravaged economies from around the world. We saw how governments have failed to revive them. Central banks worldwide have responded by printing an excessive amount of money. And this has led to currency devaluations and the lowest interest rates in history. In order for us to truly be in charge of our own futures, we need a decentralized economy motivated by merit, not birthright. I believe Zipmex is ready to take advantage of the crypto boom predicted for the Asia-Pacific region. Our unique foundation of trust, regulation, and security have allowed us to build a product that is easy to use and unlike any other in Asia. Crypto exchanges are popping up like mushrooms. The problem is that some mushrooms can wipe you out. Hacking is a new growth industry and there are millions of bad actors out there. For many people, when they hear the word crypto, the fear of the unknown brings a whole world of heist, fraud, and money laundering. That's why every day with everything we do, we're working at building trust. We work with regulators and policymakers. We educate our users and would-be users to break down the fear of the unknown and remove barriers to entry. Trust is a human thing. Our users are humans, and so is the Zipmex team. The human capital of our core team represents thought and industry leaders from the worlds of equity innovation and e-commerce, algorithms and analytics, blockchain and marketing. Our people know how to build products that users love, and beyond our people, our technology provider and the way we build our platform keep our users safe and their private information secured. Trust and security go hand in hand, which is why it is so important for us to go through all the licensing and regulation processes. Our offering is legally compliant in all 4 of our countries of operation to offer a secure and insured platform on every transaction. Our partnership with BitGo covers our users with up to $100 million, and our IT team is constantly working on securing and fortifying our walls. So, who uses Zipmex and why? The APAC region has 570 million people. Many of them are millennials and Gen Z who are born and live online. Mainstream apps like mobile payment services are expanding their offerings into crypto, and more vendors accept payments in cryptocurrencies. It's a fast-moving market and a competitive one. Speed, versatility, and ease will soon be the norm. Currently, we offer high liquidity, and because of the multiple markets that we operate in, this liquidity is the reason why we can offer instant transactions and lower fees. We are constantly innovating towards a full 360 digital banking offering, including loans, cards, and securities, and have established our core product offering, easy trading and saving. Our vision, in short, is to build a safe and secure digital ecosystem where new users can invest, save, and spend while putting themselves in charge of their financial futures. We started as a digital exchange, but we're becoming enablers of change. We hope you join us on our journey as a client, partner, investor, or even working with us. We've grown over 2,500% over the last year, and we're just getting started. Welcome to the financial revolution. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Marcus Lim, Chief Executive Officer and co-founder of Zipmex. Good morning, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Akanit Wichiancharan, and on behalf of Zipmex, welcome to today's virtual press conference, and thank you all for tuning into the program. Today marks an exciting day, an exciting new chapter for all of us here at Zipmex as we officially announce that Zipmex has raised Series B funding. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe that in the past week, many of you have seen headlines in the news about Zipmex after securing investment from Thai media giants and announcing a major strategic partnership with Visa. The Series B funding today marks yet another important milestone for Asia's fastest growing digital asset platform after launching in Thailand 12 months ago and also launching in Indonesia, Singapore, and Australia. This further establishes the confidence and the importance of digital assets in our society. Coming up on today's program, we're going to hear from our investors on the decision to invest in Zipmex, and also from Zipmex's perspective, we're going to learn about the goal and strategy in reaching out to millions across Southeast Asia and Australia. And now we're going to hear from Zipmex. As Asia's fastest growing digital asset platform, Zipmex has big plans ahead, not only reaching out to millions across Southeast Asia and Australia, but also building an ecosystem that is beyond finance. To hear about the vision and the strategies, we're going to hear from Chief Marketing Officer of Zipmex, Proud Lim Pong Pan. A graduate of Harvard Business School, Ms. Lim Pong Pan is one of Zipmex's core team members from the very beginning, who led the launch of Zipmex in Australia, Indonesia, and Singapore, and then last year in Thailand. Ladies and gentlemen, Proud Lim Pong Pan.
Good morning, everyone. It is a pleasure to be here as Chief Marketing Officer. And today, I will talk about our achievements, and more importantly, our ambitions. It has been an incredible journey since late 2018 when Marcus met bank and co-founded Zipmex. And together, we have experienced tremendous growth. Since we are growing so fast, a lot of times people love to ask the question, how much is Zipmex worth now? Currently, our valuation is in the 9 digits and climbing. We are set to reach $1 billion in the months to come. let's have a look at how many clients have entrusted us as their financial partner from when we launched until now. Since the beginning of 2020 until now, a period of over just a year, Zipmex has grown our client acquisition exponentially. Today, we are enabling close to 1 million people to make their own next happen rather than just waiting for what happens next to them. To us, it is not just about the numbers. It is more about what it means to people. But first, let me give you a few more numbers. We are estimated to see our cumulative trade volume reach $10 billion by year end. Let's have a look at assets under management. Currently, with $360 million under management, we are expecting to see exponential client growth within the next 2 years. More and more people are starting to trust crypto, and they will start entrusting us with their investments. And so we estimate our AUM to increase to over $8 billion by the end of 2023. Many of you might know of Zipmex as a digital asset exchange, and that was what we started off as. But our growth path, our vision, and our execution has evolved to be much more, much, much more. And although we are legally compliant as a digital asset exchange in all of our markets, we realized that we could dream bigger and better for both ourselves and our clients. And so, from day one, we have worked to educate, to enrich, and to excite our clients with the best-in-class products and services. Our clients are from all over Asia and Europe, and different people have different needs. Not everyone wants to trade crypto 24/7 or watch every move of the market every single second of the day. And that is why we have prioritized the launch of not just digital asset trading, but also saving and spending. Since the beginning of the year, our trade volume has increased by more than 256%. Clients are not just trading Bitcoin, they are also looking to invest in innovative products like digital gold. In Indonesia, we are enabling our clients to access investments that they would never reach before, such as tokenized stocks of companies like Facebook and Netflix. Our assets under management has also increased by more than 450% this year, whether it be via our ZipUp daily earnings or ZipLock 45 fixed-term deposit accounts. We are seeing more and more female investors taking advantage of Zipmex and taking charge of their own financial futures. In terms of spending, we have recently launched our Zip Spend program in Thailand. From buying movie tickets to your very first Tesla, we are on a path of possibilities. Our digital payment system is both fast, efficient, and on its way to revolutionize the whole industry. In a mere 5 months, we have been honored to receive tremendous interest from more than 100 companies, ranging from SMEs, publicly listed companies, to huge multinationals looking to partner with us. Now let's talk token. We are also one of the first and few to launch our very own exchange token in the markets that we are in. Our Zipmex token, or ZMT, has a limited supply of 200 million tokens, no more, no less. Since launching at the end of last year, there has been much interest and fanfare in the token, with trades amounting to nearly $1 billion. And that is probably because our clients realize that by holding ZMT, they are receiving benefits from day one. If you hold enough ZMTs to gain access to Zip Crew, you are instantly earning 2% more interest on your digital assets. 2%. That is more than what most traditional financial institutions are offering on deposits. It is our intention to make Zip Crew one of the most coveted loyalty programs in the world. Our investors has increased to over 600 people with average balances that could rival a private bank's. Look here. ZMT price increases of over 1,180% in the past year shows the enormous confidence that people have in our token, and we are expecting continued future growth. Recently, ZMT has grown to become a key to unlock a whole new world. The beta version of Zip World was recently launched in Thailand. It's a whole new platform for clients who are in the market for smart discount, superb one-of-a-kind lifestyle experiences, and special products. Every experience, every product has been carefully crafted and curated for our valued clients. It is fairly normal for some of our items to be sold out in just 60 seconds. So what is next for Zipmex? Imagine being able to use your crypto easily and securely anywhere in the world. Imagine being able to get your hands on the next most wanted IEO token before anyone else. Imagine holding NFTs that you can redeem into actual physical products as you choose. Here's a glimpse of what we are up to. Zipmex has partnered with Visa to launch a card that is backed by ZMT. Our clients will soon have the option to spend at any of Visa's global network of 70 million merchants. Many want to invest in exciting new tokens that are fresh to the market, but simply don't know how. It is quite hard to analyze which ones to pick. In a matter of weeks, our Z launch will solve this problem. Our clients will soon be able to use ZMTs to earn an allocation of new tokens, offering first access to early-stage projects before they're even officially listed on the exchange. Now, many of you might have heard of NFTs, the latest buzzword in the digital asset industry. An NFT is a form of crypto asset which uses blockchain to record the ownership status of objects, such as images, videos, and text. The market for NFTs has exploded in recent months. In March earlier this year, Christie's auction house sold a digital artwork by Beeple for $70 million. Global luxury brands like Gucci, Burberry, Louis Vuitton are all joining the NFT space. And at Zipmex, thanks to our extensive partner base, you can enjoy NFTs not only in digital format, but also as a physical object. Two of such partners are Plan B and Mako, giant multimedia companies listed on the Stock Exchange of Thailand. Gone are the days of seeing billboards as mere static advertisements. We will be making sure that the next time you see one, it will definitely be a more interactive experience. And also, they are rapidly expanding into esports, sports, gaming, and entertainment. And so, we plan to bring the play-to-earn concept. Our clients can play, earn points, and redeem for digital assets. Who says earning can't be fun? And today, I would like to announce another milestone for the financial industry. It is with great pleasure that I am breaking this news to you. It is for the first time that one of the top financial institutions in the region has invested in a digital asset platform. And we at Zipmex are honored to be recognized and validated as a leader in the field by Grunsi Finnovate's investment. Part of the giant Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group, our synergies will prove that Zipmex can be a crypto bank. As a result of a household name financial institution partnering up with a digital asset platform like us, we will soon be rolling out products that you have never seen or could have never imagined before. Whether it be in terms of client access to alternative financial products, synergies in private client services, DeFi offerings, or innovative corporate and SME banking. The way that people invest, save, and spend will never be the same again. It will be easier, it will be faster, and it will definitely be a lot more fun. We are excited for the financial revolution. Because of the global expertise of our human capital and the multiple markets we operate in, we are able to bring global financial and technological best practice to our local markets and make it work at grassroots levels, no matter if you're in Canberra or East Kalimantan. We are not just a local platform with one country vision. No, we are in 4 and we will soon be in more. Neither are we some decentralized platform trying to enter new markets without having rock-solid local relationships or know-how. We are constantly in conversation with all our clients, and we strive to bring in new experiences to suit their lifestyle. From where we are here today and looking forward to the future, we would like to thank all our clients for believing in us from day one. But all of this would not have been possible without the support of our all-star team, hailing from 16 countries around the world. We operate a meritocracy, whether it's a him, her, or them, whoever does the job best. And that is why we are proud to be a fintech company with nearly half our employees women, many in managerial positions. Our clients and our team are the 2 pillars we stand on and the foundation that will propel us towards continued growth and prosperity. We thank you so much for joining us in this journey, and we invite you to continue alongside us towards a future of opportunity, access, and financial freedom for all. Imagine that.
Thank you very much to Proud Lim Pongpan, Chief Marketing Officer of Zipmex. As Asia's fastest growing digital asset platform, Zipmex has tremendous growth opportunity and is building an ecosystem of saving, spending, and lifestyle. It is important to note that Zipmex is now, for the very first time, backed by global and regional investors, publicly listed companies, and financial institutions. In addition, the Series B funding is also backed by Jump Capital from our previous round of funding, Mindworks, who invested in delivery service provider Lalamove, and, ladies and gentlemen, as a highlight for the financial industry, Zipmex is also backed by Krungsri Finnovate, the corporate venture capital arm of Bank of Ayutthaya Public Company Limited, one of the largest banks in Thailand and a subsidiary of Japan's Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group. And now we're going to hear from Kun Sam Tansakun, Managing Director of Krungsri Finnovate. With extensive experience in the financial industry, Mr. Tansakun is a core team member behind the success of Krungsri Finnovate. He now sits on the board of the Thai FinTech Association. Ladies and gentlemen, Sam Tansakun.
Hi, I am Sam Tansakun, Managing Director of Krungsri Finnovate, a subsidiary of Bank of Ayutthaya. So we are delighted to be an investor of Zipmex and also officially welcome Zipmex to Krungsri Finnovate family. And yet, Krungsri is focusing on the future technologies, and digital assets is one of the key technologies that we are focusing. Krungsri Finnovate has been founding a blockchain digital asset startup for a year, and finally we have been selected Zipmex to be investing into our portfolio. The reason is that Zipmex has key competencies. For example, Zipmex has been operating in 4 countries right now and have a bunch of the digital asset products into their platform and upcoming into the futures. Krungsri, we are part of the Mitsubishi UFJ or MUFG group, who has been operating in 50 countries. So Krungsri Finnovate will be helping Zipmex to be bridging and scaling Zipmex into these countries in the very near future. In terms of synergies, Krungsri is co-developing in various types of products. For example, we are helping Zipmex on the customer onboarding to help Zipmex customer as convenient as they could, using the Krungsri eKYC technologies, as well as we are facilitating the payment and remittance process into Zipmex platform. And there will be more upcoming products and services in the future that we are co-developing right now. Krungsri is fully supporting Zipmex in terms of scaling the business and growing customer dramatically. And we believe Krungsri and Zipmex will be growing together. So we wish Zipmex a good luck and become the unicorn in the very near future. Thank you very much. ขอบคุณครับ
Thank you very much, Sam Tansakun, Managing Director of Krungsri Finnovate. Ladies and gentlemen, it has truly been an exciting day here at Zipmex as we have the opportunity to share with you an important milestone, raising the Series B funding. For the very first time, Zipmex is now backed by high-profile global and regional investors, Thai-listed companies, and financial institutions. As Asia's fastest-growing digital asset platform, Zipmex's journey is just the beginning. We thank you very much for believing in our journey from the start, and we can't wait to share with you some exciting news in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining our program today, and see you next time.